Hello my friends. Okay, so I'm going to give you a tour of Owen's room. I was telling you guys last week on Insta stories. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, go find me at Wannabe Balanced because I post daily pictures of my family and different pictures of my house and all the things that we're up to on a daily basis, plus Insta stories. Last week on Insta stories I was talking about my new goal to choose one room in the house each week or each month to really revamp, meaning I gotta get this place in order. We just got a lot of stuff, so I need to go through each room, get rid of some stuff, spend some time organizing, and just a little bit of redecorating. I kind of just want to switch some things out, spruce it up just a little bit. So this week I'm going to give you a tour of Owen's room. And we got rid of the crib. Okay, so this is Owen's room. To get this thing like organized. Brooklyn. And we gotta put the crib away. It's funny because last time we were here, Owen was sleeping in the crib, but now he's not. So we gotta put the crib away, even though maybe we might have another baby. But for now, we'll put the crib away, okay? That was a sad thing. You all know I'm trying to conceive, and he was my last baby. I got my tubes tied and then reversed. Yeah, I changed my mind, so I got the reversal surgery. But when I got my tubes tied, I got rid of all of our baby stuff. The only thing that I had left was his crib, and it was just kind of sad to come back to this house, our St. George house. We haven't been in this house for 7 months, so when we got back and I saw the crib up, I was like, aww. Because when we left this house, he was still sleeping in the crib, and now he doesn't sleep in a crib. So we took the crib down, and I'm actually gonna just get rid of it, donate it, sell it. If I do have another baby, I think I just want another crib altogether, because why not? Here is all of the stuff that I gathered out of Owen's room to get rid of. I didn't even realize there was that much stuff in there, so I'm happy and feeling relieved to be getting rid of so much stuff. I don't know what it is, but it just feels good to get rid of stuff, don't you think? Yeah, there's nothing in this closet, and I feel really good about it. I just got rid of so much stuff, and I like empty shelves. It just makes me feel good. All of his clothes are in the drawers now, not all over the floor and in random places. And then I've got a little stash of just random things that I kind of just tried to put all in the corner so I didn't have to look at it when I initially walk in. Because look at this. I feel so good. Makes me happy. Same with his bookshelves. I just like the more minimalist type decor, I've decided. So I'm okay with the fact that it looks very bare. To me, it looks really pretty. I like it. Makes me feel good. So I really love this bed. I got this from Down East, and I just love the detail. I got this from TJ Maxx Home Goods, and I just like that. It's a really pretty piece. I found those pillows on Amazon, and I had those drapes custom made because I needed to get blackout drapes, you know, so that it would be completely dark in here for when he was taking naps during the day. So this was custom made. And I actually want to get rid of this chair. We don't really use it, and I would just prefer there be nothing there and maybe just get a little chair for this little desk right here. Yeah, can you show me all your toys, how you set up in your room?
I don't know how to set them up.
Whoa, you got so many toys. Owen, do you love your room?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about the room?
This hook.
You like Hulk? That's your favorite part of the room?
Yeah. My favorite part is Alexa.
Sorry,
Alexa?
I don't know that one.
Oh, she doesn't know that one. What song do you want her to play?
Nothing.
How about Rolly Rolly? That one's my favorite.
Alexa, play. I just want Rolly Rolly.
Lex, by Owen Taylor.
Yeah, roll it.
Yeah. Now we gotta dance to it.
Yo, girl on deck is a party. Wanna rolly, rolly, rolly with a dapper ass. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some. I pull up to the mall and I'm flexing on your waist. Ice on my wrist, so I look better when I do. Yeah. All I ever been. I just want some ice on my wrist, so I look better. I just wanna rolly, rolly, rolly with a dapper ass. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. Yeah. I was like, one was a